Hi, I'm Anita from Crafts by Anita, and welcome to week 5, day 27 of Vlogtober. So it's been a day. I updated my computer to Windows 11 because they ended support for Windows 10 about 2-ish weeks ago. I absolutely hate it. The start menu is not the same, and I tried recording like 5 minutes ago, and then my audio wasn't working. So I'm like, what is going on? It wanted to use this, and I don't have it set up for that. So I had to go into my audio settings and choose my interface over there with this microphone. So I'm like, I don't understand. I don't like my settings getting changed. I don't like that. That's stupid. It's like, leave my stuff alone. Like, seriously. So dumb. I absolutely hate it. I don't like the start menu. I'm going to have to pin some apps to my taskbar at the bottom because I do not have time to be hunting for things, and I don't have Voicemeeter on my desktop, and I need to be able to quickly access it. And that's what I had with the Windows 10 start menu. I'd have the whole list off to the left, and then I can drag stuff to the right that I use and then organize it. Don't have that capability right now. I'm really irritated. So I'm going to have to find a better solution. So it's going to be pinning stuff to the taskbar at the bottom of my screen of things that I use. And in fact, I think I'm going to do that now. Right click, pin to taskbar, right click, pin to taskbar. So now I have OBS Studio and Voicemeeter pinned to my taskbar on the bottom. So I don't have to go hunting for them because the start menu is stupid. Anyway, I finished my table runner. It's already way over there on the table. It's still not wide enough, and I'm like, I'll just make a different one, a new one next year, and use that somewhere else. But for right now, that's going on the table. So my oldest daughter was here earlier. We went to get yarn, and some of it you can I move out the way. Well, you can't really tell, but there's like 4 skeins of like loops and threads, Christmassy type yarn. And it's absolutely the absolute same as the Christmas type yarn that I bought at one of my last trips to Joann. That is sugar and cream, Lily Sugar and Cream. So yeah, they are the same yarn, just packaged and labeled differently. I also got, we're going to make, since I made the table runner, we're going to make placemats because I don't have enough of this yarn here to make placemats. So we bought an orange, a brown, I can't hold them all at the same time, a red, a gold, no, there's another, isn't there another, yeah, orange did I bring up, alright, a brighter orange, and then our border is going to be this light tan. So I have been tasked, or I tasked myself to come up with, I'm going to make a gauge swatch. Oh no, she's going to make a gauge swatch. Yes, I'm going to make a gauge swatch because we want the placemats to be 12 by 18 inches. Ugh, get this over here on the floor. And I need to know how many chains I need because we're going to work them like it's 12, how am I going to show this? Like 12 by 18. So we're going to run it this way. And we're going to do stripes. And each stripe is going to be 3.5 inches wide to get, since there's 5 of those colors we're using on the placemat and the light brown is for the border, we're going to do 3.5 inches of each color across and then add the border. So I'm going to do a gauge swatch and then write the pattern or whatever for it. That way she can have it when she comes over next, and she can start making them as well because we're going to do them together. So that's why we bought that yarn. I also bought this, 2 of these, because well, Michael's was having a buy one get one 50% off sale. So yeah, I bought one, 50% off, and with the Christmas yarn that's back there. So I bought all 4 of those, and then these, it was like less than 20 bucks. Oh, I also bought these Wait, where was I when I bought those? That wasn't at Michael's, that was somewhere else. But yeah, this is Loops and Threads. What is this called? Facets. It's that, like, kind of like spunny type yarn. How many ounces? Is it 3.5 ounces? I'm hoping I can get a hat and a scarf out of this, make myself a little set. And I just wish this camera didn't make the color so dang dull, because it's a little brighter than what it shows on the camera. It's kind of annoying. I need a real camera. One of these days, I'll actually be able to do it. My poor PM, covered in yarn again. Anyway, so Halloween is Friday. Yeah, it'll be over with, and then it's time for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. And that's gonna sneak up. I haven't done the temperature blanket stuff for today. I mean, I got for, well, technically yesterday. Today, I wrote it down. I will do them tomorrow because it's getting close to 8 o'clock. I still need to hop in the shower and just veg for a little bit before going to bed. So I slept a little too. Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's are gonna sneak up on me as quickly as possible. I wouldn't doubt it. It's supposed to be cold tomorrow. The high is only gonna be 49. I think it still is gonna say that it's only gonna be 49. Right now it's 53 outside at 7:45. I got distracted and lost my train of thought. There was a loud noise outside. It happened twice. Looked at my security camera, didn't see anything. Saw two people walking down across the way, down a set of steps, but I don't know. The noise hasn't happened since, so I have no idea if it's going to happen again. Hopefully not, because it was loud. It was really loud. I don't know what it was, but it was really loud. But while I was out, I mean, we got that yarn from Hobby Lobby. I also got these. They absolutely suck. I was hoping I could get a pair of scissors, because, where are the other ones? My thumb kind of gets stuck. See, it got stuck. And these holes are small, and I don't really want to use bigger scissors because I have bigger ones, but I don't want the bigger ones on my table. They take up too much space, and I was hoping these would work. But they don't very well, and I don't know if you could, let me see, can we focus it on this? I guess not. But there's like a little, the two blades kind of do this. If I can aim in the camera, they kind of do this. They're not like this. They bow out from away from each other. So that's a little, I don't know if that's how they're supposed to go. These are the first ones I've ever had. Not happy with them. It wasn't that expensive, but still, you would think it would actually like cut a thread, but they don't. So I'm gonna have to find something else. If I could find scissors with bigger holes that are about this size, but the holes are bigger, that'd be nice. Haven't found them yet. I will be looking. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog for now because I'm just super distracted and I need to get this edited and uploaded. The editing is gonna take a minute because of all the shenanigans. Door slam. Yeah, too much shenanigans outside right now. So I'm going to end this vlog right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye for now.